Welcome back to another video. This is Fresh. This is Brins. Today, he's got some new parts. What you got? NGK spark plugs. Nothing but the best. Nothing but the best. Just got some NGKRs. We have a cap and a rotor. Boom. And then inside there's a rotor. Bada boom. And then spark plugs. All right, so we got all this stuff at Advanced Auto Parts Store, which is closing down. So we got it for dirt nasty low. So I think we got spark plugs for like $1, cap for $1, rotor for $1, and then I just couldn't stop buying stuff. So yeah, here we are. Today we're gonna be doing this, a little tune-up on his car. Still gotta get wires, didn't have wires. Gonna get him some nice NGK or VMS wires, and yeah. Ready to do a tune-up on your car? Mm-hmm. All right, let's get to it. Brendan, how to gap the plugs. Go ahead, put it in there. And then wiggle it all the way to right here. A little more, a little more, a little more. Right there. Perfect. Take it out. That. There you go. Then I'll double check it real quick. Hold the camera. Perfect. Good job. Perfect. Easy, huh? Mm-hmm. So, if you look right here, see 1.1. That is plug gap. Focus. There it goes. Plug gap. So that's where you plug your gap your plugs to, and then you install them. Go ahead. Take that out. Pull it up. Get it out the way. All right. Now take your ratchet. Get your spark plug out. Go ahead, take it out. Ooh, you got oil on that thing? Well, we're gonna do a valve cover gasket anyways. Little O-ring right here. Usually when those go bad, oil goes in, gets all over the spark plug. And that's what we got. Other than that, not too bad. NGKRs, same thing we're putting in. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab your new one. Grab it. Toss it in. Take the cardboard off. Put it in there. There you go. There you go. Dropped it in there just like that. Grab this. Put this in here. Tighten it by hand like that. Come on. That's how you tighten it. As tight as you can get it like that is perfect torque for the spark plug. Good? Just did your first spark plug, bro. Let's go. All right, you got 3 more, and then we'll move on to the cap and rotor. Let's go. Like that. New spark plugs are in, right? Good job. The other ones weren't too bad, except for the oil on them, because all the O-rings they're cooked on here. So the valve cover gasket set will fix all that, and then we got to do that anyways because I got to fix this stud. So now we're going to take this cap off And we have a new cap and a new rotor for the distributor. All right, we got the new cap. I'm just taking the screws out right now. Got 3 of these. Look like this. And the new cap should come up very nice. Not too bad. They might have replaced that. All right, now you got your rotor right here. New rotor on. Now, time to put the cap on and then start it up. Oh, we did new spark plugs. Definitely need wires. We did a cap and rotor. So we're gonna order some wires and valve cover gasket. Oh, we got a brand new battery today. 40 bucks. Thank you very much. Advanced Auto Parts. Just gonna go ahead and put this on. Brennan's gonna start it up. See how she sounds, bruh. Start off. She ain't sounding too good. So we had to get some wires. These ones were cooked. Look at that. What the heck? Straight fried. Done. So we got some new ones and Brendan slapped them on real quick. I just showed him how it goes. Just put it the way the other ones go. So go ahead and start it up, see if it starts. Dang, she started off real quick now. New spark plugs, new wires, cap, rotor. And now we got the valve cover gasket. So next video, we're gonna paint this and put on the new valve cover gasket with the new studs. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and sign us out.